What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Ooh, we're looking mighty fine today. I like this shot. Damn. So we're looking pretty good today. Alright, well, welcome back to the channel. It's Carson, as usual. But before I start this video, I kind of wanted to just say that thank you guys so much for the support on the first video. I had a lot of other Tiburon owners comment and say that they finally liked seeing a Tiburon build on YouTube. And well, guys, we did it. We have officially supercharged the Tiburon. Let me pop the hood for you real quick. There she is. Look at this artwork right here. Damn. Alright, so before I get into it too much, I just want to say I'm kind of like sorry for not being able to film the full install. It was just kind of me, and my girlfriend's dad was actually helping me out with the install and stuff like that. So it was very, very difficult to try and film. So I kind of just made the decision to just to get it done, because that was one hell of a project. I actually ended up staying up for like 36 hours. I know it sounds a little far-fetched, but it's true. Because there's a car show I really wanted to make this for, and I ended up not finishing the car in time, which was a bummer. But I went back later that day after the car show that I didn't get to enter the car into, and then I got it all finished. But even since then, we've came a long ways. So we had to fabricate a new portion of the cold air intake. Had to drill or tap the intake air sensor in there. We actually got some AN fittings, which look beautiful. I kind of got to get rid of this copper one because that kind of irritates me. I really like the blue and red kind of style. So actually, guys, let me know in the comments what color I should powder coat this right here. Because I want this engine bay to look pretty. Because, I don't know, honestly, I love car shows. It's not always about how it looks, but I just really enjoy showing off my car and just really talking to other people about their builds. So I would really like to clean this up, because as you can see, it's really, I don't even know what it is. It's probably like corrosion or just grime and stuff. But I also got another surprise for the channel coming very, very soon. Because sad news kinda is that I'm gonna store this car over the winter, because the salt here in Wisconsin is horrible, and they're using this new salt now that really like eats away at metal and makes it rust a lot faster now apparently. So but yeah, let me just finish showing you guys. We got the full icebox system in. Let me tell you that this was a bitch to get all of this stuff to fit, but we had to modify the latch right here. We had to weld this bar in because this had too much flex, and then the hood would never close. I also got new jacks, by the way, so it works. So yeah, this is pretty much it. But when I first got the supercharger on, I was running stage 1, which is 3 to 4 pounds of boost, I believe. But since I put in the 310cc injectors, as you can see, these are different. Those are the 310cc injectors. So when I put the stage 1 kit on and the stage 1 belt and everything, I just threw those injectors in because I didn't want to have to take the blower and stuff off just to go to stage 2. And a lot of people in the forums and in the Facebook groups were giving me shit about it. But yeah, I was running rich for a while, but now sorry, I had to pause the video really quick. There's actually a cop that showed up. He has to do some work, and this is actually a pretty popular roundabout here, so I don't really want to point the camera at him because I don't know, he's just minding his own business. So anyways, like I was saying, so I was getting a lot of shit because I was running the bigger injectors on the stock tune, but now it's fine because this is the third belt I've had on here. So there's the stock belt, there was the stage 1 3.4 inch belt, and now this is the 2.8 inch belt, which if I'm correct, I think it runs about 6 to 7 pounds of boost, somewhere around there. And so along with stage 2, I also have the stage 2 reflashed ECU from, I think it was a Next Generation Motorsports reflash, but it could also be a Fibra's Motorsports reflash, but anyways. So it was reflashed for the 2.8 inch belts, heat exchanger reservoir, catback exhaust, but headers were also a part of the reflash. So I do actually have headers, so I'll probably do an install video on that soon. But other than that, this was quite the setup here. I can honestly say that the power difference is pretty crazy. I'm probably running, it's really hard to estimate how much power this makes without getting it on a dyno. And I haven't actually been able to push it very hard because I need a new clutch. So I have a clutch on the way. I was hoping to make it to, there's a drag event in Illinois called 608. It's the 608 race. And I was hoping to bring this there and see what this thing runs in the quarter mile. But my clutch is going out, it's making noises, so every time I go out I really don't do any pulls anymore, even though it's like perfect weather here right now. It's like, I think it's like 35 degrees today, so it's perfect weather for making boost. But yeah, so I think that's all I have for today. I have a lot of videos that I want to make with this car. I want to make like how much it costs to put this kit together, what to look out for when you have a supercharged car, the common issues and stuff like that. I also want to make a video about living with solid motor mounts, and just a bunch of other stuff like that. If there's other videos you want me to make, please drop in the comments and let me know. And like I said, please let me know what I should powder coat, my valve covers, because I'm really debating. I kind of want to do red because I think red's gonna match these fittings right here. I think that'd look really cool with the black and then the silver supercharger and everything. I think it'd look really nice all tied together. So yeah, I'll kind of give you guys a sneak peek. I know he's still back there watching me. I'm just doing my thing. I just kind of enjoy the scenery here. It's just a big open field and stuff. So I don't know. It's like a road that connects so a farmer can get to his fields, I think. But I'm really not sure. There might have been houses that used to be here. But like I said, let me know in the comment section what videos you want me to make, and also what color you want my valve covers, because I still can't decide. So yeah, that's been it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys next time.